For number 15, our time is in months again, so we will do 4 divided by 12 first to change that into years, times 500, and then multiply that times 0.0375. Our final answer is $6.25. Number 16 is pretty straightforward. 250 times 0.0285 times 3 equals $21.38. For number 17, we need to change our months into years again. So we'll start with 9 divided by 12, multiply by 3,000, and then times 0.055 to get our final answer of $123.75. Number 18, we'll take 1,000 times 0.07 times 2 equals $140. Alright, for number 19, we'll take 725 times 0.0625 times 1, which isn't really necessary, but just to show that it's still 1 year, equals $45.31. For number 20, we can write 3 months out as 3 divided by 12, multiply that by 2,700, and then multiply that by 0.082 to get an answer of $55.35. And finally, for 21, we can write 8 months as 8 divided by 12 times $175.80 times 12% or 0.12 equals $14.06. Good work, everybody, and happy Wednesday. To find the simple interest for number 1, we're going to take the principal, which is 640, times 3%, so 0.03, and then times 2 years to get $38.40. To find the simple interest for number 2, we'll take 1,500 times 0.0425 times 4 years to get an answer of 255. For number 3, we need to add 1 extra steps. The time is given in months instead of years. So I know that 6 months is half of a year since there's 12 months in a year. So for this one, I would take 580 times 0.02 times 0.5, which is the 1/2 of a year, to get an answer of $5.80. Number 4 is really similar to number 3 too with that extra step. So we're going to change 8 months to the percentage of a year by taking 8 divided by 12, and then take that answer times 1,200, and then multiply by 0.039 to get our final answer of $31.20. To find the simple interest for number 5, we'll take 4,500 times 0.09 times 3.5 to get a final answer of $1,417.50. For number 6, because the time is given in months again, we need to change 6 months to 1/2 of a year, or 0.5. So our work will look like this. 290 times 0.125 times 0.5 equals $18.13. Alright, for number 7, we're going to take $75 and multiply that by 0.125, which is the interest rate, and then multiply that by 1 divided by 12, which represents the 1 month that it's talking about in the problem. Our answer to this is 78 cents, and then we're going to add the $75 that he started with, and the total will be $75.78. For number 8, we're going to use this equation. So the simple interest is 450, which we've already got in the problem, and that equals the principal, $3,000, times simple interest rate, R, times time, which is 2 years. So I have times 2. The next step is to simplify. So we took 3,000 times 2 on the side to get 450 equals 6,000 R. Then we divided both sides by 6,000. And 450 divided by 6,000 was 0.075, or 7.5%, which is your final answer.